This is the complete setup for WHO Olfactometer for mosquito repellent test, and it consists of air blower and the speed regulator, forward and reverse speed regulator, and the mosquito release pipe. There are two selection pipes and comes along with a stand, and this is the mosquito selection chamber, and this is the removable lid which is provided along with the chamber, and this is the air delivery system, and this is the air compressor, and these glass vessels are for charcoal chamber, humidifying chamber, and two sample chambers. And this is the flow meter. The flow meter can be set from 0.1 to 1 lpm. Now the flow meter has two inputs and two outputs valve. So there are two types, there are two methods of olfactometer setup to show now. First one is vacuum based air suction method, and second one is pull based air delivery method. So now I am going to demonstrate one by one. Now first I am showing you how to set up an olfactometer using vacuum based, using the blower or suction method. To assemble the olfactometer vacuum based suction method for repellency test, so first take this selection chamber, and inside there are two outlets and one inlet. So make sure that inlet is facing towards that pump, and outlet we have to install along with it. And this is main chamber actually, and this is the insect release chamber, and insect release can be controlled along using with this knob, and this has to be placed like this here, and there is a paste is provided along with that olfactometer setup. I have to stick this surface along with that thing, and after fixing this main tube, make sure that insect release hole is facing on the top of it. There are mesh will be provided along with this olfactometer, and use the mesh. Have to fix the air blower. So this prevents that insect going back inside the blower. After fixing the blower and the air release chamber, so these two are the insect selection holes. So this has to be removable, it has to be fixed in these two holes. So this is the setup, and this is the speed control. There is an input port here. Make sure that it is connected to the input port, and this is the on and off switch, and this is the increasing of speed. After completion, so this is the removable top plate. After closing the top lid, make sure it is connected. Using the tape, so now it is ready for air suction. After this, all you have to do, make sure it is plugged in a 230 volt AC connection. Once it is plugged and the machine is on, the insert has to be released inside the hole which is meant to be here, and after releasing the insert, you have to wait at least 10 to 30 seconds and let the insert settles inside this chamber. After releasing the insert, you have to open this block part, and after opening, make sure that increase that blow air unit little forward, and that insert will be pushed here inside the chamber. Once the insert is released in this chamber, wait for few seconds. After that, slowly reduce that speed of the motor and make sure it is rotating backwards, and the suction will be created from this end and the air will be blowing out here. So once the suction is created, and this is the place to put the sample, so you have to remove this little one, and if you want to put sample inside, you can put the sample, or else the hand has to be placed like this. So this is two choice selection method for air suction unit. And for airflow unit, these glasswares need to be connected. I'll show you the step-by-step instruction how to connect glasswares. After completion of the installation of the air close air supply unit, so these two are the output of the sample chamber. From the sample chambers, message is connected in the second source. Once it is connected, that insect has to be released the same manner in this end. The insect will be collected here, so it will be attracted and repelled against that sample we are using. So this is the complete setup for WHO olfactometer complex.